This week's session is called The Graveyard Near the House. The other day while we were walking by the graveyard near the house, you asked me if I thought we would ever die, and if life and love both fade so predictably. We've made ourselves a kind of predictable life. So I pictured us like corpses lying side by side in pieces in some dark and lonely blood under a box. We look so silly there, all decomposed, half turned to dust in tattered clothes, and we probably look just as silly now. Bye, 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 bye to all this dark and innocence. I can't pretend that I can tell you what is gonna happen next or how to be. But you have no idea about me. Do you? Left me to wonder, people ever know each other? We just stumble around like strangers in the dark. Sometimes you seem so strange to me, I must seem strange to you, like two actors playing our parts. Did you memorize your lines? 'Cause I did. Here's the part that I get so mad at. I try and say I can't forget the past. Get so quiet now, and you seem somehow like a lost and lonely child. You're just hoping the moment won't last. Bye, 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 bye to all this dark and innocence. I can't pretend that I can tell you what is gonna happen next or how to be. But you have no idea about me. There's always a way around. Just try and plant my feet on the ground. Moments pass me how it sounds, and it seems a little less profound, like we're all going the same way down. I'm just trying to write it all down. Cause I write songs and you write letters. We are tied like two in tethers, and we laugh and play, and at night we sleep in bed together, warm so tight. I see a tear that forms from the pit of your eye. You say, darling, will you be kind, be a good man, stay behind if I get old. And I'll defy everyone who love you still. I will follow you up every hill, and if you die before I die, I'll write your name out of the sky. The other day while we were walking by the graveyard near the house, you asked me if I thought